Hey, good morning you guys. Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to do a fix. You guys know I made this sign a few weeks ago, put it up there. I really love this piece of mahogany. I love this sign, but we can't seem to get the lighting right. There's just too much glare. I think that black really doesn't work. We've got several comments that it doesn't read real well, so we're going to fix that. We're going to take it inside and try some different colors. You guys are going to see the whole process. Stay around, we'll show you how. All right, so guys, here's my idea. This black isn't working for us, so I have an idea that I really would like to have it gold to match this, so that there was gold out there to match this, but I don't know whether that's going to work or not either. So here's what we're going to do. I think white is going to be the way to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint the M's at both ends here. Paint one white, one gold, and then we'll let it set up for a few minutes so it's not dripping, and then we're going to take it out, put it in place, and see what happens. So here we go. So first I am going to paint the first M white. I'm using the One Shot, which is my favorite paint to use, and I want to see how the white looks in contrast to the mahogany background. So now I'm going to use the gold by Total Boat. It's called Total Gold, and it's really cool looking. It's got a really neat metal flake look to it. I really like it. I'm just not sure it's going to show up as good as the white does against the mahogany. All right guys, so it's set for about an hour. The paint is set up good enough. It's not dry, but it's definitely set up good enough that it won't drip. Now you guys, if you guys saw before, we set this up with French cleats. Yeah, that's it. And then we've got blocks up there, so it makes it pretty nice to be able to put that in place. Now we can really back off and see if we like the gold better or the white. We've decided that looking at it like this, definitely the white is a better contrast than the gold. Even though the gold looks really cool, I think we're going to have to go with white out here because we do have a lot of different lighting, being as the back is wide open, and sometimes we have the sun over there, sometimes it's dark, sometimes it's light. So our lighting changes out here based on what it looks like outside. So based on that, I think we're going to have to go with the white. So I'm going to get back in there and paint the rest of this thing white, and then we'll show you what it looks like at the end. Okay, so since we decided to go with the white on these outset letters, I like the One Shot. That is my go-to paint that I'll use anytime I get a chance. Now this in particular is a sign that we have resin epoxy on the surface, so it makes it a little bit more difficult than if it just had a regular finish. But I still like pulling the paint from the inside of the letter to the outside edge. I find that I get a much better edge and less likely to go over the rim and drip down the side of the letter. What do you think, guys? Yeah, I like it. That white really gives a richness to it. I think it makes the mahogany stand out that much more. It's got a beautiful contrast, so much better than the black. So thank you guys to all of you that sent us emails and commented on the YouTube channel. Without your guys' kind of prompting us, it might have been a long time before we did that. So thank you guys. That really makes a difference. I think now at any point, no matter what the lighting is out here, I think that's going to show up. So if you guys ever want to know for sure whether you can paint over the top of epoxy resin, One Shot definitely does it, because that's what it is. And the white went right over that gold, that total gold on there, no problem at all. So that is it for this one, you guys. Hope this was helpful. Hope you guys enjoyed enjoyed this and got something out of it. Thanks again so much for all of the support. Without you guys supporting us by buying products, premium members, executive members, without you guys, we couldn't keep doing what we're doing. And we're having fun trying to come up with more content that you guys will like. So if you guys have suggestions, have any comments, please let us know. Email us or comment on the video below. All of the stuff that we use should have links down below in the description. So we love you guys. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.